How to fix Instagram activity status. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to fix Instagram activity status. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our Instagram application here on our smartphone. Once open, go to the lower corner of your Instagram and click on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Now here, you just need to click on the upper right corner. We have the three-line button, and then go to settings and privacy afterwards. Once you have been routed to settings and privacy, the next thing that you're going to do is to simply look for your activity status. So here we don't have our activity status, so let's simply search for it. Okay. Now, once you've clicked on the activity status or show activity status, make sure that this has been enabled. Check whether these two buttons are enabled. And then afterwards, if this does not solve the problem, simply go back to your settings and privacy and go to the help section. Now, all you need to do is you can go to the help section of Instagram. So let's go back. Instead, let's go to the help center, and here in the help center you just need to input your problem. So if you don't find any article, then you can look for support by reporting a problem. And basically that's about it for today's video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.